Have a smile, light up. Let's start the day with positive attitude. Dear children, today in physics, let's discuss the book back evaluation of term 2, unit 1, 1 mark answers. So before solving the 1 marks, we'll just look into the last class. I gave you the 8 problems as homework. We'll now take a look of how to solve these 8 problems. Okay? Convert the given temperature. First question is 45 degrees Celsius is how much in Fahrenheit? So we already know the formula that 5F equal to 9C plus 160. So if you substitute the Celsius value here, instead of C 45, then 9 into 45 you get as 405. If you add 405 to 160 you get as 565. If you divide this 565 divided by 5, if this comes here, this division, so you get the answer is 113 Fahrenheit. So 45 degrees Celsius is 113 degree Fahrenheit. Second one, 20 degrees Celsius is how many Fahrenheit? So 5F equal to 9C plus 160. The same formula, you substitute 20 instead of C. So 9 into 20 it is 180. 180 plus 160 is 340. When you divide that 340 by 5, you get the answer as 68. So 20 degree Celsius is 68 degree Fahrenheit. Third one is 68 degree Fahrenheit is the same. 68 Fahrenheit means you get 20 degree. We'll look into the formula. 9C equal to 5F minus 160. Look at the formula carefully. If they have given the Fahrenheit value, then you should write this formula. So instead of Fahrenheit, you use 68, and multiplication of 68 into 5 is 340. When you minus the 340 with 160, you get 180. When this 9 which is in multiplication comes here, it becomes division. So 180 by 90, that is 20. So 68 degree Fahrenheit is 20 degrees Celsius. Fourth one, 185 degree Fahrenheit is given. We need to find the Celsius. The same formula, 9C equal to 5F minus 160. So instead of F, substitute 185. 185 times 5 is 925. If you minus 160 from 925, you get 765. When this 9 multiplication, when this comes here, it becomes division. So 765 divided by 9 is 85. So you get the answer as 85 degrees Celsius. The next one is 0 degrees Celsius. You know the formula of converting Celsius to Kelvin, that is K equal to C plus 273.15. We know the Celsius value, that is 0. So if you add 0 to anything, you get the same value. So it is 273.15 Kelvin. So 0 degrees Celsius is 273.15 Kelvin. Sixth one, minus 20 degrees Celsius. So instead of C, you substitute minus 20, you get 253.15 Kelvin. So minus 20 degrees Celsius is 253.15 Kelvin. Seventh one, 100 Kelvin is how much in Celsius? So you have to reverse the formula. C equal to K minus 273.15. So instead of K, substitute 100. So you get the answer, which is greater value, 100 or 273. 273 is greater value, so you use the minus sign. Minus 173.15 degree Celsius is the answer. So minus 173.15 degrees Celsius. The last sum, 272.15 Kelvin is how much in Celsius? So you know the formula, Celsius equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. Instead of Kelvin, you substitute the value. So which is greater, 73 or 72? 73 is greater. How much time? 1 time. So minus 1 is the answer. So 272.15 Kelvin is minus 1 degree Celsius. So like this you have to solve the value. Let's look on to the answers. See, don't just fill in the answers, you have to solve it and then fill it here in the book. Okay, now we'll move on to the book back evaluation, which is in page number 10, your unit 1. First one, choose. International unit of measuring temperature is Kelvin. Second one, in thermometer, when bulb comes in contact with hot object, the liquid inside it, thermometer, you know, you have a small bulb. These are the scale readings. In the thermometer, in the bulb வந்து liquidல contact ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த liquid என்ன ஆகும்? Hot objects na liquid expand ஆகும். So it expands is the answer. Third one, the body temperature of a healthy man is 37 degrees Celsius. Healthy, no, normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Mercury is often used in laboratory thermometers because laboratory thermometers la mercury use பண்றோம். Why? Because it expands uniformly is the correct answer. Fifth one, which of the following temperature conversion is incorrect? இங்க கொடுத்திருக்க conversionல எது incorrect கேட்டிருக்காங்க. They didn't ask correct, incorrect. We know the formula Kelvin equal to Celsius plus 273.15. So A option பாருங்க. இங்க instead of Celsius you substitute this value minus 273.15. இது ரெண்டையும் substitute பண்ணா plus and minus gets cancelled, we get the answer 0. So இது correct answer. We'll look into the sum, how to solve it. See, first option 0, so இது correct value. Next option பாருங்க, minus 123 Celsius கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So அந்த Celsius இங்க substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா 150.15 வருது. So this also is correct. See, 150.15. So this also is correct. C option பாருங்க, 127 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதோட value இது ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணுனா 400.15. We'll see the C option. See, 127 போட்டா 400.15, that is also correct. So last one பாருங்க, 450 போட்டா what is the answer? 723 is the answer. But they have given the value as 733.15 Kelvin. So look into this. So this one is, the actual answer is 723.15, but the book answer is 733. So this one is the incorrect option. So you have to choose this. Okay. Fill in the blanks parunga. Doctor uses dash thermometer to measure the human body temperature. Clinical. Look at the spelling carefully. Clinical thermometer. Second one, at room temperature, mercury is in dash state, liquid state. We all know mercury is a metal, but this is the only metal which is in liquid state. Room temperature, mercury liquid ah dhaan irukum. Heat energy transfers from, heat energy end object la irundhu end object ku move agum, hotter objects la irundhu colder objects. Fourth one, minus 7 degree temperature is less than 0 degree temperature. 0 விட கம்மியா இருந்துச்சுனா அதெல்லாம் மைனஸ்ல ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுவோம். So it is minus 7 is less. Fifth one பாருங்க, the common laboratory thermometer is a dash thermometer. காமனா லேப்ல யூஸ் பண்ற தெர்மோமீட்டருக்கு பேரு mercury thermometer, which is in Celsius scale. So mercury Celsius scale ரெண்டுமே கரெக்ட். Match the following பாருங்க. First one, clinical thermometer, அதோட ஆன்சர். ஸோ எல்லா கிளினிக்கல் தெர்மோமீட்டர்லையும் என்ன இருக்கும்? கிங்க் இருக்கும். சி கிங்க், த ஸ்மால் டிவிஷன், பல்ப்லேருந்து வர அந்த ஸ்மால் ப்ரொட்ரூ ஸ்மால் பெண்ட், அதுக்கு பேர் கிங்க். Second one, normal temperature of human body, we know it is 37 degrees C. We already saw it here in third choose. Heat, அதோட form of energy. Fourth one, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So don't, if you have book, mark 1, 2, 3. If you don't have book, write the question along with corresponding correct answer. இந்த மாதிரி 1, 2, 3 போடாதீங்க, correct answer எழுதுங்க. Clinical thermometer அப்படின்னு question எழுதி kink அப்படின்னு எழுதுங்க. Okay. Next we'll discuss the very short answers. There are 5 very short answers. I'll read the question and discuss each one in detail. Okay. See very short answers. First one. Temperature of Srinagar, அதாவது ஜம்மு அண்ட் காஷ்மீரில் இருக்கிற capital Srinagar is -4 degrees Celsius and in Kodaikanal is 3 degrees Celsius. Which of them has greater temperature? What is the difference between the temperature of these two places? இது ரெண்டில் பார்த்தோன்னே சொல்லிடலாம், -4 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் அதிகமாக இல்லை 3 டிகிரி செல்சியஸ் அதிகமாக, எது வந்து கிரேட்டர் டெம்பரேச்சரில் இருக்குது? கொடைக்கானல் தான் கிரேட்டர் டெம்பரேச்சரில் இருக்குது. வாட் இஸ் த டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் த டெம்பரேச்சர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தீஸ் டூ பிளேசஸ்? இந்த ரெண்டு டெம்பரேச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் என்ன வந்து டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. See, listen carefully. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. And same here, -1, -2, -3 and -4. ஸோ டோட்டலாக எவ்வளோ டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணக்கூடாது, கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். கவுண்ட் வித் மீ. ஓகே, till 3. ஓகே, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 differences are there. So Kodaikanal, answer is Kodaikanal has greater temperature than The temperature of Srinagar is -4 degree and temperature of Kodaikanal is 3 degrees Celsius. The difference is how much? 7 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is colder than that of Kodaikanal. Okay. Your second question. Jyoti was prepared to measure the temperature of hot water with a clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer வச்சு hot water measure பண்ண போனாங்க ஜோதி. Is it right or wrong? Why? So இது wrong தானே? It is wrong. Answer is it is wrong because clinical thermometer has small temperature range which starts from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius or 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. If it is used to measure the temperature of hot water, the glass will crack or burst due to excessive pressure created by the expansion of mercury. So this will be your answer. Third one paranga. A clinical thermometer is not used to measure the temperature of air. Why? Clinical thermometer use பண்ணி நம்ம temperature of air measure பண்ண மாட்டோம். ஏன்? The range of clinical thermometer is less than that of thermometer used to measure the temperature of air. அதோட range, அதாவது measurement வந்து ரொம்ப கம்மியான measurements தான் இருக்கு. Say the same, 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius வரைக்கும் தான் இருக்கும். அதை வச்சு நம்மளால் ஏரோட டெம்பரேச்சரை மெஷர் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ we don't use clinical thermometer. Fourth question. What is the use of kink in clinical thermometer? Answer is the kink is in clinical thermometer is ilakana in. So instead of is you write in. Okay, the kink in clinical thermometer prevents the mercury from flowing back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of the patient's mouth, so that the temperature can be noted conveniently. Fifth one. Why do we jerk a clinical thermometer before we measure the body temperature? Answer is the jerk to the thermometer will allow the mercury level to flow into the bulb so that the mercury level is below the normal temperature. Okay. So with this we complete. So thank you. Have a good day.